So you're welcome to today's class. I want us to solve this question on the board. Square root of 4 factorial divided by square root of 3 factorial. They gave us options. Option A, 3. Option B, 12. Option C, 2. Then option D, 4. Now, in order not to waste your time, let's just solve it together. Solution. We have square root of 4 factorial all over square root of 3 factorial. Remember that when you have factorials, what this means is that, okay, square root of 4 factorial is equals to square root of 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. And the square root of 3 factorial is equals to square root of 3 times 2 times 1. So this now shows that square root of 4 factorial all over the square root of 3 factorial is equals to square root of 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 all over square root of 3 times 2 times 1. So when you get to this point, we now say that this shows that 4 times 3 is what? 12 times 2, 24 times 1. So this is what? 24 all over square root of what? 3 times 2 is what? 6 times 1. That is square root of 6. And this is same thing as writing root 24 is root 4 times 6. 4 times 6 is what? 24 all over root 6. I just continue solving. Now have it that root 4 times root 6 all over root 6. So when you get to this point, this root 6 will cancel out this root 6, remaining root square root of 4. And the square root of 4 is what? 2. Therefore, our answer is 2. So when you come to the options, you look for the option that has a 2 as the answer. This is C. Thank you.